problems arise, true leaders are always seeking out the solution, not waiting for failure, but seeking out remedies. Leaders will utilize every resource and tap into every connection to solve problems within their business. Those business owners that want to be problem solvers can't sit on the sideline. I see it way too much. Businesses that see the tough situations arise and cash out. My cash flow is getting low. I lost so much in business this last month. I can't get any business. I need out. I need to quit. I need to quit. This is just a normal theme I see on a regular basis. I see these quitters. You can't be a quitter. If you're a quitter, you should never start. If you can't put yourself all in, I'm talking about your mind, your soul, your desires, everything about you, all in for your business, then you should start it. You're not that leader. You gotta look in the mirror. That's why identity and purpose was important. You can't have those habits. You don't think you can possess those. You need to look in the mirror and say, you know what? Maybe I'm not cut out for this. I'm not trying to demotivate anyone. I'm just being honest. Because I don't want you to fail. I want you to have success. And the way you're going to be successful is to making that decision. It's a decision, guys. It's not this special gift that I got poured out that I was born with. It is a decision. A decision is key. A decision to say, you know what, I'm all in. Problem solvers, they're all in. They're going to say to themselves, I'm all in, I'm going to accomplish this. Now, don't get me wrong, when you're getting to the end of that failure, and I'll talk about this later, there's a point that you move on to the next venture. But I'm talking about when you're starting a business, initially starting a business is what I'm talking about today, is that you need to tell yourself, I'm all in for this business. You can't take one step in and one step out. I see it too much. Entrepreneurs do this all the time. I talked about this earlier. 2 to 3 months after they started their business, guess what they do? They just tell themselves, whoa, things are getting tough here. There's a lot of problems going on in my business. That's really what they're saying. They make excuses. Like I said earlier, the Adam syndrome. Well, this person's why I'm not achieving these things. Well, this company's not helping me enough. Wow, they're not doing this for me. You know what I always say? I said, I can't be the CEO of your company. I'm sorry. I can't run your business for you. I can teach you how to do it, but it is a decision to say to yourself, I'm going to be a problem solver. I'm going to be all in. I'm not going to go in half. I'm going to go in full. I'm going to take it to the limit. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to take these problems and I'm going to solve them. I'm not going to run from them. I'm not going to hide under the bush. I'm going to solve them. If you want to hide under the bush, you shouldn't be a business owner. And that's not what an earth-shaking leader is. You've got to be willing to go all in.